Come back, ma'am. Come back. And first go to the transaction code FBN1. 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 Oh. No, not the FBN1. Go to the transaction code OBA7, ma'am. Go to the transaction code OBA7 and try to check with the documents ZP and ZB, payment processing and payment clearings and all. ZP and ZB. ZP and ZB. Double click on this payment postings. 20 is the thing. Go to the number range information. Give the company code and go to the intervals. If this number range information is there, no issue. If that is not there, we should take out new thing. Okay, so this is that, and go to the ZB document. Double click on this ZB. Double click on this payment clearings and all. Yes, 21 number range. Okay, do we have any 21 number range on your company code? Go to the intervals, ma'am. 21 number range is also there. Now what we need to do is, can you give /n, ma'am, and go to the transaction code BP and try to create one new vendor. Try to create one new vendor. All of you do remember the master data configurations. Okay, if you only do the things with the existing vendors, you will not going to know what are the errors that are coming into the picture. Okay, take out the organization and try to create it. Every time, okay, when you are doing the configurations, and try to do with the new customer, new vendor. Okay, so I mean, try to do with the testings, and you will not going to you will going to remember each and everything. Give the details, ma'am, firstly. Okay, good. So if this is thing is error free, go to the save button and save it. And try to post the one invoice, ma'am. Good. /n. Go to the transaction code FB60 and try to post one invoice. What is your Taurus group, ma'am? Or else if you are not finding, go to the OBY6 transaction code. Go to the transaction code FB60. I think so. Yesterday, one of our video-based trainer, sorry, one of our video-based trainee. Okay, so he has got the job. I think the company is. What is that company? Yes, Value Labs. Value Labs is the company. Okay, go to the save button and save it, ma'am. Okay, good. This document is also posted. Now, what we need to do is go to the FBL1N and try to check with the report whether this thing is there or not. Go to the execute option, ma'am. Okay, good. So 3 lakhs is there and give slash and ma'am and go to the transaction code FW10. Can you give the run date, ma'am? Give the parameters. Company code. Payment method and next payment date. And the next one is vendor. Go to the additional log, due date check, payment method if not successful. Good. Go to the save button and go to the status. And now go to the proposal. Start immediately and create payment medium. Okay, continue. No issue. Click on the enter. Enter, enter, enter. Okay, then go to the edit proposal, ma'am. Go to the continue option. Okay, so 3 lakh has been picked up. Come back. One step back and go to the environment, man. Environment. Go up. Environment. Yes, and we should try to see the payment medium. And the next one is DME administration. Yes, DME administration. And this file is generated. Okay, all of you select this thing and go to the display option. Select this thing and go to the display option. Whatever the things that we have generated, okay, you can able to get all these things. Okay, all of you see some of the things we will not going to get. Why? Because we haven't entered that values, right? Okay, like IFSC codes things and bank references things, and we can enter. But the thing is that whatever the information, specific information, standard informations and customized informations will be there in this SAP FICO data medium exchange is for HANA. Okay, do it on your own thing. Okay, and see all of you, 2 files should be generated. Okay, this is the flat file. Remove this thing, ma'am. And for the proposal, we should generate 1 file. For the payment run, we should generate 1 file. Okay, come back and run the payment run now. So if it is okay, if we don't have any errors and on, then we can able to run it. Otherwise, if it is having errors, so 1 generated, 1 completed. Okay, go to the environment, ma'am, and 1 more file will be generated. Okay, for the proposal runs. Okay, no issue. for the proposal that is generated. See, for the proposal based on these things and all will be generated, no issue. Okay, see, SAP S/4HANA only generated one thing, but in ECC for the proposal run it will be generated, for the payment run also it will be generated. Okay, so but in SAP S/4HANA it is not like this. Okay, so I was in a ECC mind. Okay, good. Give /n, ma'am. Give /n and go to the transaction code FBL1N and try to see whether this open item is cleared or not. There is no open items, and go to the cleared items. Yes. Continue the cleared options. Okay, so this one has been generated.